it's time to fried onions. Yon, onion muna guys. Luto tayo ng gulay. Ano, may itlog. Ayun, nakaready na yung ating itlog. So, dito naman tayo guys. Fried muna natin yung onions. Ayan, meron tayong onions. Tapos, meron tayong tawag nito, carrots. Tapos, meron tayong capsicum na green at saka kamatis at spring onion. Dahon, sibuyas dahon yan. Wala tayong red onion, capsicum. So, yan na lang muna guys. Yan, fried muna tayo. Fried. Yan, halo na yung capsicum, never mind. Yan, fried lang muna natin siya guys. Lakas yung apoy fried onions. Kaya natin siyang mag-brown. Mausok talaga yung onions dito guys. Look at that. Onions. Usok-usok pa more. Masyadong mausok yung onions.